Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to backup, save and restore different desktop icons layout in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop home screens I have different icons here. So let me try to arrange in different manner. So I have changed the layout of this desktop icons, right? So by default we don't have any such options to backup this desktop icons layout. So for this what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as ReIcon by Shortdom, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now here you will see a download option. Just click on download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now here you will see ReIcon as well as ReIcon into 64. So if you're using a Windows 64-bit, then you can use the second one, and if you're using a Windows 32-bit Windows operating system, then you can use the first one. So now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So I want to back up this desktop icon layout and save it for later use. So for this what you need to do is you can see your save icon layout. Just click on it. Now this respective desktop icon layout will be saved here inside this application. And now let me change it in different manner right now. So I want to back up this new desktop icon layout again. So just click on this save icon again. So you can change the desktop icon layout multiple times and you can save it depending upon your needs. So, and after that, in order to save this icon layouts, just click on this file. Now you can see your export list. Just click on this export list and give any name, whatever name you want to give, and just click on this save. So I've saved the backup. Now let me delete this backup icon layout. So I've deleted it. So now in order to restore the backup which you have saved just now, just click on this file and click on this import list and just select the backup file which you have saved just now. Click on open. I will see the desktop icon layout is being restored back. Now to get back the respective icon layouts, then just click on the respective icon layout, just double click on it. So now you can see I'm getting back the previous desktop icon layout. So let me try this second icon layout. Just double click on it. Now you can see here I can easily backup, save and restore different desktop icons layout in any Windows computer using this cool application named as ReIcon. So in my opinion, you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.